Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making Chicken Seekh Kabab. Let's begin by making the kebab mix. Add 1 pound of ground chicken, a cup of minced red onions, half a cup each of chopped mint and cilantro, 2 tablespoons each of minced garlic and ginger, a teaspoon each of garam masala, cumin, coriander, a quarter teaspoon of red chili flakes, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a large egg, 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix it thoroughly. Using greased hands, shape the chicken kebabs onto the skewers and place on the wire rack. I like to place the kebabs on a baking sheet lined with parchment for easy cleanup. Once you're done, brush the kebabs with melted ghee. Broil the kebabs for 4 minutes on each side until golden brown. And will you look at that? I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time!